Vegetarian curry is a delicious and satisfying meal. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that can be enjoyed by everyone, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice. The beauty of vegetarian curry lies in its versatility and the endless possibilities it offers. From the rich, creamy sauces to the vibrant, colorful vegetables, every bite is a journey through a world of taste and aroma. It is surprisingly easy to make. You don't need to be an expert to whip up a delicious curry. With just a few basic ingredients and some simple steps, you can create a dish that is both comforting and exotic. The key is to start with fresh, high-quality vegetables and spices. These will form the foundation of your curry and ensure that it is bursting with flavor. With a few simple ingredients, you can create a flavorful and aromatic dish. Think of ingredients like onions, garlic, ginger, and tomatoes, which are staples in many curry recipes. Add to that a mix of spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala, and you have the makings of a truly delicious meal. The combination of these ingredients creates a depth of flavor that is both complex and satisfying. This essay will guide you through the process. We'll take you step by step through the preparation and cooking of a vegetarian curry, ensuring that you have all the information you need to create a dish that is both delicious and nutritious. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a group of friends, this guide will help you make a curry that everyone will love. Let's begin our curry adventure. Curry is incredibly versatile. You can tailor it to your taste preferences and dietary needs. Whether you prefer a mild and creamy curry or something with a bit more heat, there's a recipe out there for you. You can also experiment with different vegetables and proteins, making each curry unique and exciting. You can use a variety of vegetables and spices. From hearty root vegetables like potatoes and carrots to leafy greens like spinach and kale, the possibilities are endless. You can also add legumes like chickpeas or lentils for added protein and texture. The spices you choose will also play a big role in the flavor of your curry. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the combination that you love the most. Whether you prefer a mild and creamy korma or a fiery vindaloo, there's a curry out there for everyone. Each type of curry has its own unique flavor profile and level of spiciness, so you can find the one that suits your palate perfectly. Korma is known for its rich, creamy sauce made with yogurt or coconut milk, while vindaloo is famous for its bold, spicy kick. There is a curry out there for everyone. Whether you're a fan of mild flavors or you love a dish that packs a punch, you'll find a curry that satisfies your cravings. The beauty of curry is that it brings people together, allowing them to share in the joy of a delicious meal. It's a dish that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the magic of Indian cuisine. The world of curry is vast and varied, offering something for everyone. So grab your ingredients, follow along with our guide, and embark on a culinary adventure that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for this incredible dish. Happy cooking! Before we start cooking, let's gather our key ingredients. The foundation of any great curry lies in the quality and combination of its ingredients. Today, we'll be focusing on items that are not only easy to find, but also versatile enough to be used in a variety of dishes. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, these essentials will set you up for success. Don't worry, you won't need anything too fancy. Most of these ingredients are probably already in your kitchen. If not, they're easily available at your local grocery store. The beauty of curry is its adaptability, so feel free to make substitutions based on what you have on hand. We'll be using everyday pantry staples to create our curry magic. Items like onions, garlic, and ginger are not only fundamental to curry, but also to many other dishes. These ingredients provide a robust base that enhances the flavors of the spices and other components we'll be adding later. Onions, garlic, and ginger form the base of our flavor. These three ingredients are often referred to as the holy trinity of Indian cooking. They add a depth of flavor that is both aromatic and savory. When chopped finely and sautéed, they release their natural sugars, creating a sweet and savory foundation for our curry. Canned chopped tomatoes add sweetness and body. Tomatoes are a key ingredient in many curry recipes, providing a tangy and slightly sweet flavor that balances the spices. They also help to thicken the sauce, giving it a rich and hearty texture. Coconut milk lends a creamy richness. This ingredient is especially popular in South Indian and Thai curries. It adds a luxurious, velvety texture to the dish, making it both comforting and indulgent. If you prefer a lighter option, you can use coconut cream or even a dairy alternative like almond milk. A blend of spices brings warmth and depth. Spices are the heart and soul of any curry. They provide the complex layers of flavor that make each bite a delightful experience. The key is to use a combination of spices that complement each other, creating a harmonious balance. For spices, start with turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. These are the building blocks of many curry recipes. Turmeric adds a warm, earthy flavor and a vibrant yellow color. Cumin provides a slightly nutty, peppery taste, while coriander adds a hint of citrus and sweetness. These are readily available and provide a wonderful foundation for your curry. Once you have these basics, you can start to experiment with other spices and ingredients to create your own unique blends. The possibilities are endless, and the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your curry making skills. Feel free to experiment with other spices like garam masala, chili powder, or paprika to adjust the heat and complexity to your liking. Garam masala is a blend of spices that adds warmth and depth, while chili powder can increase the heat level. Paprika adds a smoky flavor and a beautiful red color. Don't be afraid to get creative and make the recipe your own. Now let's bring our curry to life. Heat a little oil in a large pot. Add chopped onions and cook until softened. Then add garlic and ginger, letting them sizzle for a minute to release their aroma. Add your spices and cook for a minute more. Stir in the chopped tomatoes and coconut milk. Now, add your chosen vegetables. Simmer until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded. Curry is more than just a dish, it's an integral part of Indian culture and heritage. For generations, families have passed down their cherished curry recipes, each with its own unique story to tell. The act of making curry is a sensory experience. The aroma of spices fills the air, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. As you stir the pot, you become connected to a rich culinary tradition. Section 5. Simple twists for exciting flavors. Once you feel comfortable with the basic recipe, feel free to experiment with different vegetables, legumes, and protein sources. Add chickpeas for heartiness, spinach for a nutritious boost, or tofu for a plant-based protein punch. Each ingredient brings its own unique flavor and texture to the party. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. Section 6. Time-saving hacks for busy lives. Short on time? No problem. You can use pre-chopped vegetables or frozen ingredients to speed up the cooking process. A good quality curry paste can also be a lifesaver for busy weeknights. Simply sauté your onions, garlic, and ginger, then stir in the curry paste and your chosen vegetables. Add coconut milk or water and simmer until the vegetables are cooked. Dinner is served. Section 7. Embracing the art of curry confidence. Making curry is like painting with flavors. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust the spices to your liking. There are no right or wrong answers, just delicious possibilities waiting to be discovered. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you cook curry, the more confident you will become in your culinary skills. Section 8. Vegetarian curry, a world of possibilities. The beauty of vegetarian curry lies in its endless variations. Each region of India brings its own unique twist to this beloved dish, making it a culinary adventure like no other. From the creamy saag paneer of North India, rich with spinach and paneer cheese, to the tangy fish curries of the coastal regions, bursting with the flavors of tamarind and coconut, there's a whole world of flavors to explore. Imagine a rotating platter, each turn revealing a new dish, a new story, a new experience. Venture beyond the familiar and discover the diverse regional specialties that India has to offer, from the spicy vindaloo of Goa to the mild and creamy kormas of the Mughal kitchens. Each dish is a testament to the rich tapestry of Indian cuisine. Each curry tells a story, a narrative woven with the threads of history, culture, and tradition. The ingredients, the spices, the methods of cooking, all come together to create something truly magical. And each bite is a journey for your taste buds. It's not just about the taste. It's about the experience, the joy, the connection to a culture that has perfected the art of vegetarian cooking over centuries. So, take a bite, savor the flavors, and let your senses be transported to a world of possibilities. Section 9. Sharing the joy of homemade curry. Cooking curry is an act of love. Share your culinary creations with friends and family, and spread the warmth and joy of Indian cuisine. Gather around the table, break bread together, and savor the flavors of your labor. Remember, the most important ingredient in any curry is love. So put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and embark on a delicious adventure.